Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and welcome back to the science class. In our last class, we studied about digestive system, chapter number 1. In the digestive system, we learned which part of our body helps in the digestive system. Let's do a small revision. What is digestive system? The process by which food is converted into simpler form so that it can be used by our body to get energy and nourishment is known as digestion. Now the process of digestion. The parts of the body that helps in the process of digestion are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. The process of digestion begins in the mouth where our teeth, the tongue and the saliva helps us to soften the food and chew down it into small pieces. Then the food is transferred to our esophagus. The esophagus is a long pipe that transfers the food from our mouth to our stomach. In our stomach, the digestive juices helps us to break down the food into thick paste. Then the food is moved further into our small intestine. In a small intestine, the food is the water and nutrients in the food are absorbed by the small intestine. Then the food is transferred into our large intestine where the rest of the water is absorbed by the large intestine and the solid waste is removed from our body. Now liver and pancreas. How does the liver and the pancreas help us? The liver filters harmful substances from the blood and produces bile juices. The pancreas produces pancreatic juice which helps in digestion and carbohydrates, fats and proteins present in our food. So now let's see how we can take care of our digestive system. Your digestive system breaks down the food you eat to provide your body with energy and the nutrients it needs. Good and healthy eating habits keep your digestive system healthy and help in preventing diseases. Here are some steps you can take to keep your digestive system healthy. Here are a few tips given how we can keep our digestive system healthy and make ourselves healthy. Now, number 1, eat food at fixed or regular intervals of time. That means how many times you eat food in a day? Mostly we eat 3 times a day, right? So the timings of our food like breakfast, lunch and dinner should be fixed. Alright, we should not eat any time we want to. We should make a timetable and keep the timings fixed for eating our meals. Now, eat slowly and chew your food properly. That means we have to eat slow and chew the food into small pieces, right? Don't just eat your food in hurry. Eat a variety of food such as fruits, green vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk, etc. that are rich in nutrients, right? So the more different types of food you eat, the more different colors of food you eat, the more nutrients you get. So whenever you eat food, make sure that you have different types of food in your plate and different colors of food you have in your plate. Now next, drink a lot of fluids like water, juice, etc. We should eat fruit juices and we should drink a lot of water so that our body keeps hydrated, and water helps in digestion of our food as well. Avoid eating excessive junk food and drinking too much of tea and coffee. We should not be drinking too much of tea and coffee, and we should not eat excessive junk food. What are the junk foods? Pizzas, burgers, chips, anything that is deeply fried in oils and is not good for our health. Now we have finished our practice zone 1 and practice zone 2. Now for your today's homework, go to your part 1 of your workbook. Okay, page number 5. Here you have to write today's date 02/07/2020. Tick question number 1, question number 2 of page number 5. Then turn the page and go to question number 4. Page number 6, question number 4. After that, go to page number 9 and choose the correct option. This MCQ you have to solve. So the question that I have ticked, page number 9 MCQs, page number 6 question number 4, and page number 5 question number 1 and question number 2. You have to solve all these questions in your workbook part 1. This is your today's homework. I'll see you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.